23 bookmark videos on $0 online invest businesses. I might be saying that wrong. Ideas, online business ideas that require zero invest, all collecting digital dust. Have you ever done that? Now, that might not be true anymore, but what nobody tells you, what nobody told me about 3-page type that actually deposited real money in my bank accounts. And one of them doesn't even require you to be on camera. But psst, secret, it's better to be on camera these days. Video is much more powerful. So the first page type is a simple review. And by the way, that could be a video idea too. It's a page where you match a product that you're actually using to product that people are already searching for. And what you wake up to are those commission emails instead of that dreaded alarm. The second page type is a comparison page that earns because buyers are stuck between two options. I'm sure you've seen those pages. I've used those pages where like compare the Subaru Forester to the Toyota RAV4, whatever. I'm just making that up. But compare the Pixel 7 to the Pixel 8. It helps you decide. And one of those could be an affiliate page that lays out all of the difference, and you end up buying from them by clicking the button. And that's you. Now, of course, again, you could do videos. That comparison page, by the way, just so you know, makes their decision easy. That's the whole goal. Because you're informing them, you're educating them, you're helping them out. And what that means is you're getting paid to be helpful, not sales. And the final page is a lead capture page. That's my favorite because that's the one I use. What it does is when you opt in, you have an automated follow-up system that you already wrote that let's say they opt in on Tuesday, by Saturday they're buying. Without you doing anything, none of the closing. And all of that can be happening while I'm fishing on a boat with my husband. So the reason why most free business ideas stay bookmarked is because they're skipping the selling part. And I think the reason why they skip the selling part is because of the hype and manipulative type marketing and the bad rep that sales gets. Sales is a service. That's one of the biggest lessons I ever learned. And it's not having a system that does the closing for you so that you don't have to be a master closer, which is a real valuable skill to learn, but it's a hard skill to learn. Some people are naturals at it. That's true because there's always people who are natural at all kinds of things, right? But closing is definitely not one of my strong suits. I don't know about you. So without the sales process, without the system helping you, it's kind of like building a hobby with a domain name, which, I did for years. So I kind of know that that's true. If you're serious about building residual income without tech headaches or selling on the phone, just check out that turnkey system at prosperwithginny.com.